proudly to shout, la-di-da-di-da-di-da, 'tis autumn. The trees say they're tired, they've borne too much fruit, charmed all the wayside, there's no dispute. Now shedding leaves, they don't give a hoot, la-di-da-di-da-di-da, 'tis autumn.
Hi, my name is Kiri. Thanks for being here and welcome to my channel. Today is a cozy vlog while I am preparing for the upcoming season, because we all know around here that fall is the best of all. Okay, we are going into Target first, so let's see what they have. I hope they have good stuff. The last, basically since the pandemic, I just feel like my Target hasn't gotten good stuff, but we'll go see what they have.
I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder. Giving me your love when you are down and need another. I've gotta get away and let you go. I've gotta get over. But I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. I'm gonna pack my things and leave you behind. This feeling's old and I know that I've made up my mind. I hope you feel what I felt when you shattered my soul. 'Cause you were cruel and I'm a fool, so please let me go. I love you so.
Well, this has been a long and eventful day. I went to Target, which didn't have much. They had the whole display stuff set up for where they're gonna have all the Halloween stuff, but they don't have any of the actual items yet. So that will be coming later apparently. I don't think I'll go back though, probably. And then I went and visited my grandma at her house, had lunch with her today, and then ran out to Home Goods. And I did not go to TJ Maxx because I was at Home Goods for so long because they had so much Halloween stuff. So I got this bath mat. It's super cozy. I think it's Halloweeny though because of the black, and then I like the glitter. So we'll just use that in October. And then I got this. Right? This is like the find of life. I had to have it. And it actually genuinely smells good. So that was my fun kickoff to fall, officially fall, because it's Labor Day weekend. And I put on my fall dress. And I went shopping and went to Halloween stuff. And I was gone between shopping and lunch with my grandma. I've been gone for 6 hours and I am just tired. I'm an introvert. Being out in public for 6 hours was too much. So let's make some dinner. And then it was time to get super cozy. This was like the ultimate cozy. This week has been just the peak of perfection when it comes to hygge for me, because I made a cozy pumpkin spice drink. I watched a Darling Desi video in bed with my candles on. We've had thunderstorms. I can just sit in my bed and watch roll by. Oh, it just truly doesn't get any better than this to me.
They don't give a hoot, la-di-da-di-da-di-da, 'tis autumn. Then the birds got together to chirp about the weather.